Hello and thanks for having a look at this vehicle from Niemer Jeep in Queensbury, New York. This is the first Jeep Grand Cherokee L that we've received in the Hydro Blue Pearl Coat. And it also happens to be the highest trim package of the Grand Cherokee L. This is a Summit Reserve. If you're looking for a luxury Grand Cherokee L, and the L is the 3-row 6 and 7 passenger configuration of the Grand Cherokee, this is the one. Again, this is the Summit Reserve model. Comes standard with these 21-inch wheels. Real leather on the inside. Heated and cooled massaging seats. This is walnut trim. It's got the Macintosh sound system. You can see all the specs for this vehicle online. Niemer CJDR of Queensbury.com. And this is stock number 23002S. Again, the first of these in the Hydro Blue Pearl Coat that we've seen. It does also have the passenger display. I'll try to get another shot of that display in a moment here. There's a look inside of that third row. You can see USB A and C ports on either side. You can also power stow these middle seats. You can see from this angle the passenger screen. The passenger, if you haven't seen this, it's actually really cool. So the passenger not only can use it for entertainment, but they can also do the navigation work for the driver and actually swipe over the navigation screen to the driver's screen. And that screen cannot be seen by the driver while the passenger is using it. You can't see it from the angle. Heated and cooled seats in that middle row as well. And again, all walnut throughout here. So again, here's the driver's screen. And you can see from this angle, the driver's angle, you cannot see that passenger screen. It's not just because of the glare of the sun. So the passenger can see it perfectly, as you can see when I reach over. But then from the driver's perspective, you can't see the screen. So again, some functional things that the passenger can do for the driver there, but it's also an entertainment screen for the passenger. And again, ton of options on this one. This is the Summit Reserve, the highest end trim package. See all the details online. Niemer CJDR of Queensbury.com, stock number 23002S. Come see it in person, 728 Quaker Road in Queensbury. Thanks for watching.